Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my own Christmas turkey. This is the wing and I've washed it with lime, lemon and vinegar. Yes, to remove the smell. And then I'm going to put I used garlic. This is garlic paste and I have grinded um I have chopped garlic, ginger and pepper to this, and you want to add a lot of pepper. So I added a lot of pepper. It will make it have taste because turkey usually have some kind of taste. So I have added my Maggi and thyme, curry. I even added turmeric to this. Yes, and I am going to let then turn it. After turning it, I am going to let it marinate for like 30 minutes. Yes, but I am not going to put mine in the fridge. You can put yours in the fridge because we have a very cold weather here, so I don't see the need. So I am going to cover and let it sit. Then what I did is was to add onion to it before I let it for 30 minutes so that it marinates. Yes. Uh, while I prepare some other things that I'm going to use for my rice. So I have been cooking it for some time. I added a little bit of water, but you don't need much water. Just very little water because of the meat has water in it. So what I do is to use this film paper to aluminum paper to just cover it so that it will steam through. You can use your pressure cooker, that is even better. I have a pressure cooker, but this quantity is too much for the pressure cook that I wanted to use. So I going to add salt after it must have finished cooking and it's done. I didn't allow it to done to be ready for 100%. I allowed it to cook a little bit. Then I add instead of frying. So what I'm doing now is to put it inside the tray. I'm going to put unsalted butter. You can add salted butter if you want to put butter. So you can drizzle olive oil on it. I even drizzled olive oil on it, a little bit of olive oil, so it allow it to to grill. And this is how it looks like after I have grilled it on the oven, and it was so delicious. Thank you for watching.